So the FestPac is scheduled to take place in Hawaii from June 6th to the 16th of this year, showcasing the diversity of traditional and contemporary arts and culture across the Oceania. This is a big one. Now, why is it a concern year for Kosrae? Kosrae, on the 5th or 3rd of June, 25 of our delegates will be flying to Honolulu this year. The festival rotates amongst the participating countries with the most recent edition held in Guam in 2016 under the theme What We Own, What We Have, What We Share, United Voices of the Pacific.
It's the opportunity for the whole Pacific together around culture, whether that's traditional, contemporary. It's of course always in movement. It's also, it led to the creation of what's called now the Council of Pacific Arts and Culture.
Very quickly, let me kind of give you a rundown of what the FestPac is all about, or Festival of the Pacific Arts and Culture. It's the renowned celebration of indigenous Pacific Island cultures that has been held every 4 years since 1972. Organized by the SPC, or the South Pacific Community, this event brings together over thousands of artists, cultural practitioners, scholars, the officials in all the 27 Pacific Island nation countries to share and preserve their tradition and culture.